Diesel generator beginner training. The main two parts of a diesel generator as follows: 1 diesel engine, 2 alternator.
Diesel engine. This is the heart of the DG, providing the mechanical energy to turn the alternator. It burns diesel fuel in a combustion process, converting chemical energy into mechanical energy. We will talk about the basic of the generator and what the main components are. The first thing in our engine, and second thing is the alternator. Fuel system. This system delivers the necessary diesel fuel to engine. It includes a fuel tank, fuel pump, fuel lines and fuel injectors. Cooling system. Diesel engines generates significant heat during the operation. The cooling system, which typically includes a radiator and cooling fan, helps to dissipate this heat and preventing engine damage. Exhaust system. The exhaust system safely removes combustion gases from the engine, preventing the buildup of harmful pollutant and ensuring proper engine operation. Turbocharger. This is also another part. There are two parts in the turbo. This is called turbocharger. There is inside one small turbine. Okay, one small turbine. Once our engine makes smoke, the exhaust pressure will come to our turbine, because when the engine is working, it giving out hot air. Dynamo. A dynamo is an electrical generator that utilizes a commutator to generate direct current. Dynamo is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Self-starter. It is a powerful electric motor that uses electrical energy from the generator battery to convert into mechanical energy, cranking the diesel engine to initiate its operation under its own power. Governor. The function as the engine speed controller, maintaining a stable output frequency by automatically adjusting the fuel supply to match the load. Flywheel. Acting as a spinning disc or wheel, it efficiently accumulates rotational energy when the force is applied. Piston rings. Piston rings in diesel generator sets are crucial for engine performance and longevity. Connecting rods. In a diesel generator, connecting rods act as the mechanical link between the piston and the crankshaft. Control panel. The control panel is the interface for starting, stopping and monitoring the diesel generator. It includes gauges, switches and indicators to display key parameters like voltage, current and fuel levels. Base frame. The base frame provides the steady foundation for the engine, alternator and other components. It may also include a fuel tank and anti-vibration mounts. Other components. Additional components like the voltage regulator, battery charger, lubrication systems and air filter also contribute to the overall functionality of the diesel generator. By understanding the functions of each component, you can better comprehend how a diesel generator works and how to maintain it properly.
Thank you for watching one of our many educational videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Learn from the experts to become a professional. Please do watch these videos for more practical knowledge. If you are looking for a reliable, highly skilled, professional, and cost-effective facilities management service provider, AMPS should be your first choice. For any business inquiries and for more info, speak to an energy management expert. Please contact